Hey everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today's tutorial is an Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Anyway, even if you are using an old version, you can benefit in this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to synchronize an audio. My name is Samuel Gator. I am from Nigeria and I speak English. My mother tongue is Hausa, so that you can see the tutorial which is translated between our mother tongue. Don't be confused. Okay, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Hit Ctrl+Alt+N to create new project. Import your video, put it here. Drag it to this empty space. Let us play, so that we can listen to an audio, which we want to synchronize. Okay, let us import our audio that we want to replace with. This is the lovely song, isn't it? Drag the audio, put it down below to your video. Now you can see what is happening. Our audio is going randomly. Select all the video and audio, right-click. Go to Synchronize. Click on the audio. Let us delete the unnecessary audio. Cool. Let us check again. Select all the video and audio. Right-click, go to Synchronize, click on the audio. Everything is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon.